I, Sandeep Patnaik, the President of Odisha Government Outsourcing Employees Federation. Only three demands are there. First demand, those who are disengaged, they should be re-engaged and no retrench from onwards. And second demand is no daily wages, no outsourcing. Only one system should be there, that is from monthly salary should be, and all other facilities should be all the employees. And third demand is the most important demand is all should be regularized to their experiences. And I am serving 23 years. This is my experience. So what is the problem for regularization? So these three demands are there. Government, I think, government should consider this, and if not consider, we will agitate our program from continue onwards.
Yes, it is painful to observe that thousands of outsourced employees are on strike. The government is sitting indifferent. Few months back they came, they promised, but they did not deliver. They feel betrayed. Demands are genuine. They are in every department. They are contributing to the functioning of the government, to ensure timely delivery of the promises the government makes. If they assist you, they are the instruments of delivery. Why they should be denied justice? They are being denied justice. We are against this indifference of the government, inaction of the government. We are always with the employees on strike, outsourced employees. And I demand on behalf of the employees association, the government should immediately come forward, have negotiation with the association, and do everything possible to address the issues they are raised. What are the issues? They need to be regularized. Is there anything wrong about it? You do it, you decide it, and you may do it in phases. For years, for decades they are suffering, and suffering should come to an end only when the government awakens to its responsibilities. We demand the government to wake up to its responsibilities, feel the difficulties the outsourced employees countenance, and take action immediately without delay. Strikes should not be allowed to continue for days, for weeks. It should come to an end. Government will be paralyzed if the demands are not met. I hope the government will listen to the demand, discuss with them, and sort out the issues as quickly as possible. Failing which, they will continue to agitate and will continue to raise their issues in the house.
Employees Federation. As you know, the government during 2025 March 26 and 27, when we are in state, in the meanwhile, Honorable Chief Minister have deputed to MLAs to discuss with us, and they have declared that Honorable Chief Minister has already constituted a committee under the chairmanship of Honorable Law Minister to address the issues, and we have also discussed the matter with the Honorable Law Minister. Law Minister also, after discussion, also assured to have a discussion, final discussion with Honorable Chief Minister within 1 month. But it is a matter of regret that Honorable Chief Minister has not yet been provided any time to listen the poor grievances of the outsourced employees of 65,000 and the condition, socio-economical condition of their family. After being harassed, we have started the agitation with peaceful manner to attract the government and to express our feelings before the government. But it's matter of concern also, after our 3 days agitation in this deep day, sir. No government representative or any person from government side has come to us address. But today, Development Commissioner and Chief Secretary has also requested us to have a discussion with them. We have proceeded to that office, discussed with the Development Commissioner also. But I have not got any positive reply from him. So we have started the agitation until till. Thank you.